From Pradeep K. Suri. White Paper Library. July 19, 2023. Modeling, AI, ML, and Deep Learning. Chapter 16. Comment on statement: we are storing actual sales data in SQL Server RDBMS and neural network. Programming in Python. In the same project, neural network reference table data in SQL Server RDBMS. The statement we are storing actual sales data in SQL Server RDBMS and implementing a neural network in Python within the same project. The neural network reference table data is also stored in SQL Server RDBMS describes a project setup that combines the use of SQL Server as a database management system, Python as the programming language for implementing the neural network, and SQL Server to store both the actual sales data and the neural network reference table data. Comment. 1. Integration of data and model. Storing the actual sales data and the neural network reference table data in the same SQL Server database allows for a centralized and integrated approach to data management within the project. This setup simplifies data access, data sharing, and the use of consistent data across the different components of the project. 2. Efficient data retrieval. Storing the data in SQL Server facilitates efficient data retrieval when training the neural network and making predictions. Python can use the pyodc library to establish connections to the database, fetch the required data, and pre-process it for use in the neural network. 3. Scalability and reliability. SQL Server is a robust and scalable RDBMS that can handle large datasets and provide data reliability and consistency. This makes it suitable for managing both the actual sales data and the neural network reference table data, ensuring data integrity throughout the project's life cycle. 4. Seamless data integration. The use of SQL Server for storing both types of data, sales data and reference data, enables seamless integration between data and the neural network model. It allows for iterative model development and easy access to training data whenever required. 5. Data pre-processing and management. The ability to pre-process the sales data and the reference data in SQL Server itself or using Python allows for data cleaning, normalization, and transformation before feeding it to the neural network. This ensures that the data is well prepared for training and prediction tasks. 6. Consistency and data security. Using SQL Server to manage both the sales data and the neural network reference table data promotes data consistency and reduces the risk of data discrepancies. Additionally, it enables proper data security measures to be implemented to protect sensitive information. Overall, the combination of SQL Server for data storage, Python for programming, and the integration of actual sales data with the neural network reference table data in the same project is a well-organized and efficient approach to implementing machine learning solutions. It offers a solid foundation for data-driven decision-making and analysis in the context of sales prediction and analysis. Thank you.